Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Learn by Deepa. Today we will see script of National Science Day. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Introduction and welcome. Good morning, respected principal, honorable teachers, esteemed guests and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to everyone present here today. It gives me immense pleasure to anchor this meaningful occasion as we gather to celebrate National Science Day, a day dedicated to curiosity, innovation, and scientific thinking. Your presence has added great value to today's program, and we sincerely thank you all for being here. Signification of National Science Day. Friends, National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February to commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect by the great Indian scientist C.V. Raman in 1928. This historic discovery earned India its first Nobel Prize in Science and proved that true innovation comes from dedications, disciplines, and deep thinking. National Science Day reminds us that science is not just about formulas and experiment. It is a way of thinking, questioning, and improving human life. Guest introduction and keynote address to guide and inspire us further. We are privileged to have a distinguished guest with us today. Our honorable chief guest is a respected personality in the field of science and education, known for their experience, wisdom, and contribution to shaping your minds. I request everyone to please put your hands together as I invite our esteemed guest to deliver the keynote address. Guest speaks. Program highlights. Thank you, sir, for those insightful and motivating words. Friends, today's program has been thoughtfully curated to make science engaging, interactive, and enjoyable. We have speeches, allocution, quizzes, and live demonstrations lined up, each segment reflecting the creativity and talent of our students. The Brain Blast Quiz. Now get ready for some excitement. It's time for one of the most awaited segments, the Brain Blast Quiz. So participants, stay alert. Trust your instinction and let the battle of brain begin. I invite the quizmaster on stage and request everyone to encourage the participant with a big round of applause. Quiz happens. Science in Action live demonstration. Up next, we have Science in Action. a live demonstration, while scientific participants comes alive through experiment. I request everyone to observe carefully as our presenter take us through these exciting demonstrations. Vision of 2047 Allocation. India is progressive toward a bold and inspiring goal. Vision of 2047. Our nation aims to become developed, self-reliant, and innovation-driven. We now present an elocution on Vision of 2047. Let us welcome our speaker with a warm round of applause. Prize distribution ceremony. Now comes a moment of pride and celebration. Hard work, creativity, and excellence deserves recognition. I request our respected chief guest to kindly come on stage for the prize distribution. Let us celebrate our achiever with loud applause. Congratulations and vote for thanks. On behalf of the organizing committee, I sincerely thank our respected principal, honorable chief guest, teachers, judges, participants, and all students for making this National Science Day celebration a grand success. Closing line. Let us remember science is not just a subject, it is a responsibility to use knowledge wisely for the betterment of humanity. With this thought, we conclude today's program. Thank you and happy National Science Day. Thanks for watching.